Welcome to another video from East Beds Bushcraft, the home of #survival.
Greetings, Buzz here from East Beds Bushcraft, and I'd just like to thank you all for watching my British Army knife videos that I've been putting up and all your wonderful comments on it. I thought I'd do a quick video. I've got a couple of these, and this one I haven't done a mod on. Now, I've obviously entitled this video British Army Knife Mod or Modification, but it's more of an alteration, if you like. What it's to do with is the leather sheath that it comes with. I know that some of these come with a green canvas sheath, but a lot of them get supplied with this leather sheath. It's very basic, and if you're very crafty with leather and put your mind to it, then it's easy for you to fashion your own custom sheath. Maybe put ferro rod holder on the side of it for fire lighting, things like that. But if you're happy with just using this sheath that comes with it, there is one issue that I find with these sheaths, and that's if the knife turns upside down, it likes to fall out, as you can see. Well, fall out as far as the restraining strap is concerned. You've got all that movement. I really don't know why they literally didn't just put it above the finger guard here, which is what we're going to do. And to do that, you really don't need many things at all. You would like some leather rivets, basically just one, but to buy a packet is dirt cheap off the internet. A pair of pinchers, just to take the old rivet out, something to mark the hole with, a decent hammer just to get a bit of weight behind putting the rivet in, and I like to use a cobbler's anvil to do the riveting. So it's a very useful anvil, really, cobbler's anvil. But anyway, so what we want to do is we want to take the knife, take that to one side, and then we just have our sheath. And you can see how we have a single rivet that goes through the belt loop. It's in there. We want to take that off, so I'm just going to get the pinchers in and give that a good squeeze. I need to get in there, literally forcing that rivet apart. There you go, easy as that. There we go, take that out of there. So we've got our restraining strap off, hole, and on the back of that rivet, the one that's supplied with it has an additional little washer on there. So we want to pop our knife back in to the scabbard or sheath. There we go. And we want to put our strap back onto there. Okay, so we just find a nice place to place that. Yeah, I'll be happy with it. Tighten about there. We're going to take that out. So we've got 3 rivets on it already here. So we want to just literally go above that center rivet. You can make the hole yourself, a mark for the hole. But what I need is also my hole punch. So the other additional tool, which is very handy when doing leather work, is a hole punch. You could probably just, if you've got an oar or something that you can push through the leather, make the hole. If you don't own one of these, you'll probably get away with it. But if you do, that makes the job a hell of a lot easier. So we've got our belt loop in position. I like to mark the hole. There we go. So I'm going to mark the hole. So now I know exactly where I'm going to go with my rivet hole. Choose the correct size on here. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. Just knock it down one. And literally just pop that in there. Find your hole. And Shazam. Give it a little twist. There we go. Sorry for jogging the camera. There we go. So we've got a hole. And then we're going to discard that old rivet. Bring in my copper. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to move the cutting mat out of the way. I don't want to put dents in the cutting mat. Right. So we have our strap here. Oh, I'm going right the way through, so I'm going now through two layers of leather, whereas before it was just in the one layer. So I want a reasonable rivet for that. I'm going to pop that in there, pop that in there, easy as pie. You can see how it's just sticking out the back. Pop that on my cobbler's anvil. Get the reverse side of the rivet. Slip that on there. Make sure it's in place. If you wanted to, you could put the washer back on, but as you can see, the rivets I've got quite a way back on anyway. Make sure your fingers are out the way. Tap like so. Let's move that back out the way. Bring this back in so you can see better. Okay, so now I have put the strap back on, but I've just moved it down. You can colour that in, a little bit of leather wax, whatever. Yeah, a little bit of boot polish will do that. I mean, a hole in the belt loop is not going to affect the strength of it, and it really doesn't bother me having that there. Pop the knife back in, stick that on there, and now we have our British Army knife modification to the sheath, or adaptation, really, just alteration. There you go, all done, easy as that. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again soon.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the East Beds Bushcraft channel. See you all again soon.